Hi everyone, this is the end of week 2 at the Procurement internship here in Whippany, and a lot more concrete action has happened this week. I have several major projects in addition to the huge amount of interviews that I'm doing, so I'm going to go briefly over what I've managed to accomplish with my fellow interns this week. First of all, we're working on something called Art of the Sale, which has the goal of creating a workshop or a training event for the procurement department. What that means is that Michelle and I have to really get deep into what pain the procurement organization is feeling at the management level and at the sort of tactical level below management. So to that end, we managed to create a survey this week, which includes some binary questions and answers as well as data gathering, and we're hoping we can actually run some metrics on this pretty soon and really get a nice report together, and then also figure out exactly where we're going to make our workshop on. We would also I made a lot of progress working on something called Project Shadow. That's what I'm calling it. What I'm really doing is I'm shadowing Doug Donnelly on a contract lifecycle process here. I worked on something called CLMS, a very cool system, very easy to use, and I integrated with the GEP organization, which helps to liaison between Bayer procurement and the suppliers that Bayer needs to speak to, and helps run our e-auctions. And to that end, I also attended a very long Ariba auctioning training event, which was very cool. And I did learn a lot about the new e-sourcing technology that Bayer's bringing in. It's very exciting. Was also able to meet with Fabiola and work on a action item list for something that we're calling Innovation Day. We're working with Bhaskar Gramati. That requires us to actually meet with someone named Karsten Brunn and Todd Paparello. Karsten is the head of the U.S. Pharmaceuticals Division, and Todd Paparello is the Vice President of Regulatory Affairs, which is amazing. So I'm very excited to do that. And I also conducted 16 interviews this week, which was stressful, and I'll probably do a little bit less next week. But overall, very good, very exciting, and I'll talk to you next week.